climate change and other factors are already putting the world's food supply in jeopardy. Water scarcity and salinization are two other major threats to food production. More than 1 billion people live in water-stressed areas today, and up to 3.5 billion could face water scarcity by 2025. And every day since the early 1990s. Across 75 countries, salt has degraded approximately 2,000 hectares of irrigated land in arid and semi-arid areas. The global annual cost of salt-induced land degradation is $27.3 billion as a result of last crop production. However, the global population is expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, necessitating a 70% increase in food production, including a 50% increase in annual cereal production. However, there are currently 870 million people worldwide who are malnourished. So, how are we going to feed the world's growing population when so many people are already striving for food? One way to achieve this, according to scientists, is to grow alternative crops in water-stressed, salt-affected, and drought-prone areas where major crops are failing to produce good yields and have become uneconomical. Quinoa, they believe, could be the answer. Traditional crops require far more water than quinoa. It's also a lot more drought-resistant. What's more important to know is that it can withstand high salinity, meaning it can grow in salty soil and be irrigated with saline water. Quinoa also includes all of the necessary nutrients. Calcium levels are higher. Phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, manganese, and zinc are all higher than in wheat, barley, and corn. It is a complete protein source because it contains all essential amino acids and is gluten-free. Quinoa's low glycemic index and high nutritional value make it an excellent dietary choice for diabetics. Quinoa has been adopted by farmers all over the world due to its adaptability to harsh environmental conditions and early recognition of the crop's potential. Quinoa can help us prepare for climate change and other threats to our food security and livelihoods. We must act now, even if a global food crisis appears to be not a long way off. Today is the day to plant the seeds of food security in the future.